Well, there is a massive lawsuit, over $300 million coming from drivers going after Uber right now. And let's just say things are getting very, very intense for Uber. And if Uber does have to pay out over $300 million, drivers could be getting tons of money from this. So stay tuned to see how you could potentially cash out from this. But before I jump into this, guys, I wanted to tell you guys about an exciting opportunity that you could start making thousands of dollars per month right here on YouTube, okay? If you don't know me, I create faceless YouTube channels and make money here on YouTube. I'm just gonna pull up my revenue here on YouTube, and I've been able to generate over $10,000 per month on one single YouTube channel. I know it looks too good to be true, but just so far this year, YouTube has paid me $56,000 from one channel alone. This is just 2024 so far, up until May. And then if you go back 1 year, you can see YouTube paid me over 100K, guys. That's over 10 grand a month. I mean, YouTube really changed my life. So if I'm now, for the first time ever, showing you guys how to do it. I have a link below, and I just made it so it's a 30-day free trial, so you can sign up, join. I now have a group chat, so you can join it, guys, and and I'm gonna teach you how to start your own faceless channel. But watch the material. There's like a 55 minutes worth of content on how to set it all up, how to get started. There's really like no major costs to getting started at all, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will not make money overnight, but long-term, like a few months in, you know, you could start generating good money on YouTube. And I know some of you guys have the ability to make over 10,000 bucks a month. All you need to put in the work though. You can't just, like, after a while you can, I teach you how to set it up and make it fully passive later on. I mean, pretty much passive. You know, I'm talking about like an hour, 2 hours worth of work per week. That's how much time I'm putting into my channels. I don't really put in that much time, but that's because I've been doing it for years. You know, it allowed me to buy this house, allow me to just change my life. YouTube has changed my life. So anyways, take advantage of the 30-day free trial down below. Try it out, join the group chat, and I will be guiding you through it. And I'm a nerd with YouTube, so I love chatting for hours about how to make a better thumbnail, how to make a better video, how to grow, how to monetize everything. So link below. Otherwise, let's get into the news with Uber getting sued massively from over 10,000 drivers, more than 10,000 drivers from London are suing Uber. Look at this. Individuals could win more than, what is that, 25,000 euros. What is that into dollars to USD? 31,360 bucks. These guys could be cashing out over 30 grand or more if they are successful. I honestly kind of hope they win, because look how cool these London cab drivers are. These are the drivers who are suing Uber, because if you go to London or watch movies of Europe, I mean, that's so cool. Why would you want to change that culture and bring Uber in? I mean, I know it's technology and everything, but it's like, some things are not meant to be changed. And London cab drivers, black cab drivers, I will stand by that. I believe those should stay there, because those are sick. Those things are epic. More than 10,000 of London's black cab drivers have launched a 250 million euro legal, which is over 300K, legal case against Uber, accusing it of breaking the capital's taxi booking rules and deliberately misleading authorities to secure a license. Uber doing fishy stuff. Who would have thought? The case, which has been filed in the High Court in London by the litigation management firm RGL, resurrects a claim first raised 5 years ago, related to the way the ride-hailing app operated in London between 2012 and 2018. Cabbies allege that Uber allowed drivers to take bookings directly from customers rather than through a centralized system, such as those used by minicab services, in a direct breach of private hire rules. Yeah, it's the same thing going on with New York. Like in New York, I believe if you're an Uber driver in New York City, you have to obtain like a taxi license because, you know, they want to protect these cab drivers and the whole culture and society and everything. Gary White, a black cab driver of 36 years, said this claim seeks justice and fair compensation on behalf of cab drivers across London. Uber seems to believe it is above the law, and cabbies across London have suffered loss of earnings because of it. It is time they were held to account. So I'll see if they end up getting paid out. I will make an update video on this. And if you're a Uber driver or Lyft driver, let me know if if there are also lawsuits going on in the US too, especially with the independent contractor versus employee. If you're in Massachusetts, check that out too. You could be potentially getting compensated for that, or in another qualifying state. Just go and do a quick Google search for your state and see the independent contractor versus employer thing. I'm in California, so they tried to do it, but it was kind of successful, but at the same time, Uber just, for some reason, one way or another, got away with it. So anyways, guys, again, if you want to join my YouTube Faceless channel program, you don't need to show your face, you don't need experience, you do not need a following to get started. And again, this is only on one channel, and I have several channels, guys. This is just one channel. I got in over 100,000 bucks from YouTube. This is after the cut too. So the channel brought in more like 250,000, but YouTube takes 50%. So I only got 100,000. This is this year so far. And as you can see, on some days, you know, I was making over, you know, this one day in particular, $1,900. Focus, please. Sorry, my lighting for some reason isn't focusing right now. But yeah, you can see right here, oh, it's really not focusing for me. I was just showing you guys in a single day, if it focuses. Yeah, there we go. Over $1,900 in one single day on one channel. So again, this totally changed my life doing YouTube, and I really am excited to show you guys how to do it. Check the link below, learn more, start your 30-day risk-free trial. Otherwise, guys, and it's month to month, so you can cancel anytime. No warning, just boom, I don't want to be in here anymore, cancel it. And I don't care. Like, I have no hard feelings. All right, guys, we'll talk soon. Take care. Talk for now. Talk soon. All right, bye.